Okay, hi, Realmeltan here. In this video, we're going to show you what is the MSI RTX 3070 Ti Suprim X, do a simple unboxing and showcase to you what's so cool about this new graphic card. Let's go! Okay, so this is the MSI RTX 3070 Ti Suprim X. Okay, like the 3080 we have done, it comes with your own gaming mat, the manual and accessories. Oh, it's empty. Wait, let me tell you where it went to. Okay, it also comes with its own stand and bracket because this card requires a support if you're going to put it inside a case. Let's go on to Gordon because he's actually playing with the Suprim X.
It's right over here.
Yep, we actually have plans to do a mini ITX airflow build with this guy, but as of right now, we're actually trying to test something for the RAM overclocking that we're going to do in another video. This is the MSI B560i Gaming Edge Wi-Fi with a pair of Trident Z Neos. This is the EK-AIO. Yeah, so Gordon is trying to figure out how to actually overclock your RAM.
Yes, we are going to that. Okay, so the stock XMP setting is 3600 MHz CL16. So I have gotten them up to now 4000 CL18. So that's just the start. So let's see how we can take it forward from here.
Okay, so we're going to cover this in another video where we're going to talk about how to overclock. We're going to show some very fun things where we're going to do basically a competition between the both of us. I think you guys can already know who's going to win, but we shall see what happens. If time persists, I think we may include some gameplay footage for this 3070 Ti. A bit on the 3070 Ti Suprim X. So similar to his 3080 big brother, it's almost 3 slots, 2 times 8 pin power. Not as beefy as the 3080 where it requires 3 power. Okay, we have 3DP and 1 HDMI. Very colorful Suprim X build, a very strong silver finish, gunmetal finish, polycarbonate, whatever they call it finish.
It's just shiny. Very shiny.
We love the accents of the RGB that you can see over here, which also brings us to one big point here. Let's go down here. This is the MSI Optics 274Q RFQD. This is MSI's new 27-inch 1440p monitor. We're going to feature this also pretty soon. You may get to win this monitor if you do very well for overclocking. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to not miss out on what's going to happen in the next few videos. It's going to be super exciting. Okay, so something that we discovered while using this giant Suprim X on this small ITX motherboard. Just a point of note, if you plan to do so, make sure to give some weight to the motherboard because the motherboard, the Gaming Edge Wi-Fi is on its edge. The Suprim X is too heavy that it's causing the motherboard to tip to one side. So make sure you have something to hold the motherboard down. Basically, the card is bigger than the motherboard itself.
We call this living life on the edge.
Yes. GPU is now the motherboard. Alright, let's kick things off with a bang. Cyberpunk 2077.
Yes, here we are. So
Getting a very comfortable 60 FPS.
So this is 1440p at the ray tracing ultra setting. If you were to turn off the ray tracing, you'll probably get about a 20% performance uplift. So maybe you'll probably see 70-80. But this is ray tracing ultra, so we'll just let it play through.
100% GPU usage.
The 10900K in the rig right over there is also getting quite a fair bit of workout, as you can see right over there. 44% CPU utilization.
We're gonna be killed soon. What happens if we don't shoot the enemy?
Yeah, let's go find out actually.
Actually, I think you'll survive. You still have a lot of health. You survive! You defeat the scavengers.
Oh, okay, that's something interesting. I didn't know that you could survive that encounter without actually doing anything. The only thing I got was my windscreen is now smashed.
Yeah, but you are definitely very alive. 3070 Ti, definitely very playable. Cyberpunk 2077 at 1440p. Hope you liked the gameplay as well as the unboxing of this amazing Suprim X from MSI.
Yeah, sorry we had to be really rushed because we're like balancing a lot of projects now on hand.
Yes, we are going to do something really special with the RAM, the overclocking video, as well as show you what is the new MSI monitor in the next videos. So if you like that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and come back to our channel. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. So with that, we hope to see you in the next video and we say goodbye.
Cheers.